Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, we're going to do a little cook with me. This is not going to be a recipe video. I am cooking. It is Saturday. It is beautiful outside. So I've got some nice steaks laid out. Let me show you what I've got here. I've got these laid out of the, oh, I can't even see without my glasses. I had these in the freezer. I don't normally like to freeze steaks, but you know, I had to. These are ribeyes. Look at the marbleization in that. It's gonna be so yummy. But I've got that one, and then I've got this big one here. Yeah, they're all ribeyes. Look at that. And then these two are filet mignon. So I had to grab what I could. So my husband likes these. I like them. I mean, we all like them, but that's why we're gonna throw those on the grill today. I gotta wash my hands. And then all I'm going to make is a salad with it, and I don't know what else. Maybe some french fries or onion rings. I'd like to have a baked potato, but we don't have any potatoes. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what else I'm gonna make. I might try to do a recipe for you guys later. Some biscuits. I want some biscuits and gravy in the morning, and I don't have any biscuits either. I'm trying not to go outside no more, well, you know, to the grocery store or whatever, no more than I have to. And I hope you guys aren't either. You gotta stay safe. I hope this lettuce is still good. Because this lettuce at my grocery store is like $3 a head. So, and I bought this last week. I tried to place an order to our local Kroger grocery store today, a pickup order. So excited, had everything in my cart ready to hit that click and pay button. Then it popped up. The only available time to pick it up is next Friday. Today is Saturday, so hey, at least I know next week I'll have some groceries to pick up on Friday. I wanted to get some more stuff for the salad, but that didn't work out. So the only thing I have here for salad is onions, tomatoes. I boiled some eggs. I don't have any cucumbers. I wanted cucumbers to go in it, but that's what it is. So we're just going to throw what we have together and make a meal out of it. Alright, now we're going to get the steaks ready. Like I said, I've had these laying out on my counter for just about all morning. They're still a little frozen. I really don't like to cook meat when it's, you know, not all the way thawed out in room temperature, but hopefully I'll have the grill nice and hot. You are gonna have the grill nice and hot, right? Whatever I want. That's what I like to hear. So I'm just gonna season these with, if I'm cooking steaks on the grill, I like to put, oh, what is that stuff? Worcestershire sauce on them and garlic salt. That's what I like to use on my steaks if I'm putting them on the grill. Gotta wash my hands. And then we're also gonna cook some of these chili cheese Johnsonville brats. So what we don't eat, you know, this is plenty of meat. We're snackers. We love to snack on stuff like this. I mean, honestly, you can tell we're snackers, right? Do you want to eat hot dogs? Sure. I thought it was whatever I want. The hot dogs are frozen, but we're gonna have hot dogs as well. Like I said, today's Saturday, so we're making all this stuff so we can just like stack. We're gonna stack tomorrow too. We're gonna snack tomorrow too. Something going on over there. All right, and usually by now he's up and has the grill going, so it's gonna be nice and hot. But not today. Oh, but that's all right. It'll give these beautiful steaks time to, you know, thaw out a little bit more, and all that seasoning can go right into them. You guys let me know down below what you like to put on your steaks when you put them on the grill. I like plenty of garlic salt. Gotta season those bad boys. I'm just gonna flip them over. They smell so good already and they ain't even cooked. Look how thick those filet mignons are. Those things are thick. I'll be. Now we're going to do the same for this side, the other side. Season them well. And some more garlic salt. And then by the time he starts the grill and it gets nice and hot, then, you know, all these flavors will be just right inside that steak. It's going to be so good.
330.
330. Those are some big steaks. Pour that deliciousness all over them. Yummy. Any pointers for the people that want to know how you make your steak so delicious?
Don't do it.
Alright, so we decided to have some onion rings with it. Why not? Right? It's gonna be good. I like onion rings. Like I said, I'd much rather have a big baked potato, but we don't have any potatoes. So he has just about got the steaks done. So I'm going to put the onion rings in there, like so. Nothing homemade about this meal today, right? I love my air fryer. I tell you, if you guys don't have an air fryer, you need to get one. I'm gonna put it on about 12 minutes. Now, let's go see where we're at with the steaks. Oh my goodness, look how good those look. Look at the hot dogs. Look at that. Those chili cheese brats. Yeah, I think I definitely leave the filet mignon on there for maybe a couple more minutes. Look at the dogs down there waiting for something to drop. Look at my husband's fancy green Crocs he got for Christmas. Let's look at that meat again. Alright, I want you guys to look at that meat. I'm telling you what, he always does an amazing job on the grill. That's one thing that man can do, is he can cook on the grill. Yum. Look at that. Hey, why not take some and get your food? Look how perfectly cooked that steak is. Look at that. We like ours medium here. That is the bomb. Yummy. So I guess we're gonna see. Are you gonna try one of these chili cheese things? No, I'm good.
Are you trying to hide the onion rings?
I'm trying to. Don't you have enough on your plate? 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna get my salad ready. I guess you could call it a salad. Like I said, it's just tomatoes, onions, and lettuce. And I boiled some eggs, you've seen. Already seen that. So I'm gonna cut me up an egg in mine. Those tomatoes didn't look too good. But it won't be long until we can have some nice homegrown tomatoes. Everybody is outside today. Of course, they're social distancing, of course, but they're all out in the yards and just working on things. Ew, those eggs don't look all the way done through. Oh well, they're gonna be perfect anyway. They're gonna be good. You like boiled eggs in your salad? I love boiled eggs in my salad. I'm so hungry. And I did rinse the eggs before we put them in here because I don't like making a mess. I don't like getting a big piece of, I'm not gonna do all that. Look at that, that's not all the way done through. It's like medium. I'm gonna pop this out. Well, this is the dressing I'm gonna use today. This is Ken's Country French. If you guys have not tried this, you need to try it. It is so good. It's got, it says with orange blossom honey. It's orange blossom honey. It is delicious. It's really good if you have croutons. I don't know what it is about the background of the crouton taste with that, but and I'm one of those people who drown my salad. Oh, so good. And I'm gonna eat this piece of steak here. I'm gonna have me probably, I'll try one of these little chili cheese things. And I'm gonna have a hot dog. And a couple onion rings. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Gonna have some ketchup. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. You know I appreciate you guys so very much. Make sure you stay safe. I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode of In the Kitchen with Bailey. Bye.